Now that you have measured your walls and ordered your Totally Custom Wallpaper product, it is important to properly prepare your walls to ensure the success of your project. First, you will need to remove all face plates, outlet covers, or any external fixtures. It is important that all power sources have been turned off for your safety before you begin working. After removing faceplates and hardware, feel for any imperfections or divots along the wall. Sand these to create a smooth working surface. Any imperfections or debris will magnify after a wall covering has been installed, so it is important to not overlook these precautionary steps. In some situations, after removal of existing wallpaper, you may encounter areas needing repair. In this case, the paint has torn from the wall. Scrape away any damage or loose paint, sand it, then repair the affected area with a non-shrinking spackle. Repeat these same steps with any holes or divots you may find in your wall. Once the spackle has dried, go back and sand the area one last time. If it appears a second coat of spackle is necessary, this would be the time to reapply. Now you are ready to prime your walls. We are using a clear, non-staining primer. It is important to never skip this step. Primer is essential as it seals and repairs your walls, it promotes proper adhesion for your wall covering, and lastly, it will allow you to remove the wall covering material without issues. Once your primer has dried, wait at least 24 hours before installation. Prior to hanging, it is recommended that you use a spatula to rid the wall of any debris that might have been collected during the priming process.